So all three classes had 3 practice proofs after we made that flowchart today, and we all got through 2 of the practice proofs, and this was the 3rd one. I can tell you that the quiz tomorrow will have 3 proofs on it after some vocab stuff on the first page, and the 3 proofs on it are very similar to the 2 you did in class and then this one that I'm recording right now. So this one says that you have 2 parallel sides, then you have a bisector. So the first thing the flowchart said to do was write my givens. So I have 2 sides are parallel, AB and ED. I made little parallel marks there to remind myself. And I also know that AE bisects BD. So AE is this. It bisects this, which means the one getting bisected is that one, which means those 2 sides are congruent. So both of these givens are going to lead to something else. Let's talk about the parallel first. If you have parallel sides, the flowchart said that it's going to lead to alternate interior angles there. I'll name them 1 and 2. And it also leads to alternate interior angles there. I'll name them 3 and 4. So we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We also know that angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. In both of those cases, it's because parallel lines form congruent alternate interior angles. And those are actually our first 2 congruences. So we need 1 more. And that comes from the bisector part. AE bisected DB, meaning that this portion and this portion are congruent. So that means DC and BC are the same. And that's because of one of the words up here. We already used parallel. The other word that we have to deal with is bisector. So we're going to define that now. A bisector divides a segment into 2 congruent parts. That is number 3. So now we have to pick what postulate it is. I have 3 of them. Now I pick, is it side, angle, side, 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 angle, one of those. So I have angle, angle, side. Same thing here, angle, angle, side. So triangle ABC, I'm naming it myself, is congruent to triangle EDC because of this, because of the angle, angle, side being congruent to angle, angle, side. Now this asks me to prove a part, not a triangle. So I go one more step and I say CE is congruent to CA, because now that we've proven the triangle's congruent, all other parts are congruent because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Quiz tomorrow, know your flowchart, and know the 2 proofs we did in class and this one here.